What's up YouTube, it's Gixxr Matt. We're back on the bike. We got my uncle behind us on his HARLEY Sportster. We're up and out bright and early, going for a little cruise, got a little picture spot. But first things first, we need some gas. Yeah. Ugh. How you doing?
Early morning going for a ride.
Oh yeah, before it gets too hot.
Yeah, and days are hot.
I'm telling you guys, like I'm here like every day, every other day, whether it's the bike, the car. And homie just knows. We just be chopping it up. You know? Oy. We're gonna go on 18. Stalled. Yeah. Let's go, baby. My boy is riding. Yeah, that bike has balls, bro. Hell yeah, that shit got balls. This is only got you at 100, maybe 200 pounds. I hear my fucking earbuds hitting the helmet. That's so annoying. Oh, it's not my earbuds, it's my fucking hoodie strings. Damn, that bump felt fucking interesting. You know, I was about to kill switch him, but his bike is push to start. I actually don't know how to do that. That shit is clean. What's up? Huh?
I'm afraid of this motherfucker.
Now why?
I like your bike.
Thanks.
Nice, man. This shit nice. Congratulations. Be careful, man.
Thanks.
Stay away from the fucking gay bike, man. That shit nice. Make it fast.
Yeah, it's fast.
Good thing. 600. Do me a favor, go and buy me a bottle. Fuck, man. I need that shit, man. You might die from the fucking thing.
I can't ride this shit.
Garbage, man. Right? Throw it out. What the fuck here?
No. Es conserva de coco, ¿no?
Put it in your fanny pack.
Oh shit, it looks pretty cool,
I know, it's
bro.
pretty cool, right?
Oh shit. Not
For the
bad,
price?
bro.
$20?
This is Colombian gold.
Yeah. Even the bitches are fucking cheap over there. I'm not kidding, man.
Oh, this looks pretty cool too, man.
Yeah, that's nice.
This don't fit my fucking hand, bro.
That's for a fucking pussy
This
guy.
for a girl.
Oh, good little girl then.
You sure this is Colombian fucking gold, bro? Don't look like it.
No shit. I don't fucking know about that shit. But it's just
This is a
metal.
nice chain, bro.
It's very nice. Hit it with a hammer right here. Hey, let's hit it with the hammer.
No.
So it gets a little bit bigger. Go buy me that shit, man. Stop fucking.
Hell no, that don't fit me. Oh, I guess it does.
I know. It's
Oh.
I'll be right back. It's fake as fuck. Hurry the fuck up, man. This guy. What the fuck?
What? It doesn't fit?
No.
I can put it in my pocket.
I don't think it'll fall out. Put it in your front pocket?
Yeah.
No, not in those pockets. Can it fit in?
Yeah.
No, take it out of the... Okay. You know why you park like that?
So you don't have to turn it?
Yeah, bro.
Let's go.
This is a metal?
Yeah.
Good, thank you. Hey man, how much that shit cost?
The bike?
No, that shit, that hit. $5. I will.
Huh?
$5, right?
Now it was like 10, right?
$10. This is $10. You owe me the tax money, bitch. Fuck you, motherfucker. Man, please.
No, no, no. How the fuck you turn it on? Oh.
We're gonna be there. You gotta be near you.
Is it in neutral? Oh. Oh yeah, it's in neutral. Okay. Man, the clutch is nice and soft. Oh, okay. Yeah. I will. What the? Where'd he go? He's coming back? Okay. I had the kickstand down like an asshole. On my bike, it doesn't even let you drive when the kickstand's down. His bike. This is fucking weird. I'm on a Harley, boys! Oh wait. I'm on a Harley, boys. This shit is weird. It's so weird. I kinda like it though. I'm chilling. God damn, this shit's got balls. That's so funny. Hold on. This shit rides nice. This shit's nice. It's like so comfortable. I'm literally sitting straight up. Got the throttle. Hell yeah. We got a fuel gauge. Yeah, this shit's got balls. Hell yeah. This shit's got balls for sure. It's nice. The shifter is nice. You can't even feel it. Yeah. I shifted. I'm like, did I shift? Yeah. I mean, I suppose. Holy shit. Oh my god. This shit feels insane. Shit feels absolutely insane. Oh, sorry guys, I'm not really talking. I'm a little like, I'm trying to figure out the bike and shit. Like when I get ready to go, I gotta put my feet forward instead of backwards, and it's like the clutch is a lot different, and the shifter is so like buttery and like soft and smooth. You can't even tell when you shift this bitch. I like it though. Very nice. I feel it. Oof, just got balls. It's just very uncomfortable shifting it when you're going insanely fast because there's nothing guarding you. Like, you're just hitting straight wind. Damn, that's a nice, yo, my bike is sexy. What? This shit got cruise control? This shit got cruise control, bro. That's crazy. Oh, there's this car on my ass. That's how you turn it off.
No, you're right, that shit good, bro.
Yeah? Yep. It's a little weird. It's a little weird because I gotta put my legs back and it's forward.
That's what I'm saying,
and I have to like look for it.
your bike.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? That's what I told you. Get used to it. It's good though. Right?
Mm-hmm.
Nice and comfortable.
And then when I shift, I don't even know if I'm shifting. I hit it up and you don't even feel it.
Nice and smooth.